Hi everyone, thanks for coming back and checking out lesson 2 of Google Classroom. Today's lesson is about how to add content to your classroom. So yesterday we set up a classroom, this American government classroom here. So we're going to click on this and it's going to open up. And remember, we talked a little bit yesterday about what Stream was. Stream is everything is going to show up down here. Anything we add in Stream, that's going to show up down here at the bottom. So if we wanted to add a little note, we could click on this and we could say, okay, hey everyone, look for your first assignment tonight. And we could go ahead and post this. Now remember, we could also schedule this or we could post it. So we're just going to post this right now. So that's going to pop up and it's right here in our stream. Say, hey everyone, look for your first assignment tonight. So we're going to go in here now and this is where we're going to be adding content. So that's classwork. We click on classwork and that's going to give us a button for create. We're going to be able to see our calendar and our class drive folder from here as well. So we want to create something. So there's a bunch of stuff that we can create. We can click on this. It gives us the option for an assignment, a quiz assignment. We can ask a question. We can add some material, or we can reuse a post. So we're going to go up here to assignment right now. Click on that. And we're going to add or create some materials in here. So our title for this is going to be Federalism. And over here, we're going to put some instructions in. So I'm going to go over here to a file that I have already created, a little document. And we're just going to copy this, Federalism Chapter 6. And then we're going to go back to where we were and just post those instructions right in there. So now we need to add some things for them to do because we talked about a couple of things here. So we're going to add in some files. And we have those files available on our device. So we're going to go down here and come down here to Law Studies. If I can click on it. And McCullough v. Maryland. And our federalism activity. So we're going to click on this. We're going to add that. We're also going to add a couple of other things. We talked about a Venn diagram and a handout. Also, there's a couple of other pieces that we can add in here. So we can hold down Control and collect all of these, and then we're going to open and it'll add all of these files in. So we want to upload these files once we've added them in, so we click on upload. It'll upload them pretty quick, doesn't take much time. And then over here students can view the file, or for this one, for example, we want students can edit the file, but we're going to make a copy for each student since each student is going to have one of these. And then our handout here, we want to make a copy for each student. The rest of these are information documents so they can view the file. We don't want them to change anything specific. So this is for American government. It's for all the students who are there. The activity is going to be worth 100 points. And our due date, since we say it's going to be due tomorrow, is the 17th. We can add a time in here if we wanted to. We could add a time in of, let's say, 8 a.m. And now we have a time. Tomorrow, 8 a.m. No topic. We could create a topic if we wanted to, or we could add a rubric if we wanted to grade it. Now that we have our title, Federalism, and I think this was Chapter 6. So we can put that in there as the full title. And then over here we can click on assign, and this will make it available right away. Or we can click over here and we can schedule when it would be assigned. We can also save a draft of this and edit it some more later. So we're going to go ahead and schedule this for the 17th. Let's schedule it for today. So we're going to go back, cancel this. We're just going to assign it right now because we have it due tomorrow at 8. If we change this to, let's say we change this to the 18th, then we can go ahead and schedule this for the 17th, 8 a.m. And at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, this will become available. So we're going to go ahead and schedule it. And it's going to go ahead and upload it. And we have it right here, and it's kind of in shadow. So it says scheduled for tomorrow at 8 a.m. If we wanted to edit something that we wrote in there, we can go ahead and edit it. And make a change. Maybe we wanted to add something more in here or add another piece, and then we can go ahead and schedule it. Once that's done, tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. the students can click on this and they'll see this. They'll be able to read this, they'll see the pieces that they have associated with it, and they can go ahead and start working on this particular assignment. Now, if you go to Google Calendar, it'll tell you that you have an assignment that is going to be ready tomorrow. And this may not be the right calendar, but it'll tell you that you have an assignment that's due tomorrow. And then we can go back to our classroom. You can also look at our class drive folder, and it should have all of those documents that we just uploaded. Now, if we wanted to add more documents or have these documents available for another piece, another assignment later on, we can just go here and get them. So once we're done, we're all set. We've created this, and we go back to our stream, and this will show up tomorrow. It doesn't show up right now because we don't have anything there. It also isn't going to show up in grades because we don't have any students, and it's not going to show up in people because we don't have any students tied in yet. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to add people, and we'll add a few students in, and then I'll show you after that how to get some grades. So thanks a lot for tuning in today. Hope you tune in tomorrow and continue on your journey of learning how to use Google Classroom. Thanks a lot.